Hello dears, in this video I'm going to show you how we can adjust cells with the text automatically. If you see this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe as you see here. Dear viewers, you see directly it adjusts. For example, if you want to adjust your Excel cells with a text like this, watch to the end. Let's start. Okay, just on the sheet right click, view code, general, worksheet, just cells dot entire column dot autofit. Now close it. Now it is done. Just write you see, subscribe my channel. Just enter. That's all. Have a nice time.